Hey everybody, Joe with McLeod here, and today we're going to talk about how exactly our hydraulic throw-out bearings work. Here in my hand I have our 1400-30, which is our slip-on hydraulic bearing that has this adjustable collar on the back side here, two O-rings that help keep the bearing in place on the input shaft, and then you have your running bearing that'll make contact with your pressure plate fingers. We have a bearing already mocked up on the cutaway, as well as our RSC clutch. What you see right now is the bearing, the actual running bearing, making contact with the fingers. And that's exactly what's going to happen. However, when you install the bearing, you're going to want to make sure there's 100 thousandths worth of an air gap between this actual running bearing and the fingers on the pressure plate. What that allows for is once the clutch starts to wear, the fingers come back out and will push the bearing back onto the bore. Now, the one thing that you want to make sure is that the bearing has to travel 440 thousandths in order to release the disc. So keep in mind, you'll always need to build up that 100 thousandths clearance to start. And if you see your bearing running against the fingers, don't worry, that's exactly what it's supposed to do, because this is actually a constant running bearing. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 714-630-2764, or visit us on our website, www.mcleodracing.com.